What's up out there, all you fellow YouTubers? JSP just checked in here. Just wanted to say, hey, you know, Gen 1 Prius. This side's ugly. Got this from my little bro, and the first thing that happened is they got rear-ended right away. So, and then it got stolen. Of course, had to get stolen too later on. Oh, this window sticks, and I just finally got a chance to change the spark plugs on it, and noticed that it was the first time the spark plugs had been changed since they built it. I think it has about 240K, so anybody who knows about tools knows that this is a very, this ain't coming out that good because it's the original one. There's the first one. Had a lot of misfiring going on. This stripe pipe broke, someone stole the cat. Go forward again, huh? If you have mechanical mind, you did. Use the right tools. This wrench right here has a piece of rubber in it. If you don't have a wrench with a piece of rubber in it, don't obsess. Don't obsess. You got one of these. You get them like at your local hardware store for like $9.99. You know what it's called? It's called a flexible mechanical finger. Look at that, I'm touching the top of the piston. Uh-oh, it's stuck. JSP, peace out.